Today in the Lowe's back aisle, what have we got here? A metal plant stand, black, $47.98 down from $79.98. 2.5 gallon Gort Stream Waterfall, $7.78 down from $12.98. Here's a bird bath, and that's $43.78 down from $72.98. That's pretty good markdowns. Hey, looking for a few hats? We got a lawn enforcement agent, $8.98 down from $10.98. What else have they got? Well, they got a straw hat there. That's $4.99 down from $19.99. That's pretty good markdown. And they got some John Deere trucker hats, $8.98 down from $10.98. And here's a Chevy, $8.98 down from $10.98. It's a flag hat too. See the flag on the side? Cool. Need a set of new blades for that mower you just got out? Well, they got a variety of different ones. Here's one from Arnold. It's 3-in-1 blade. $14.42 was $28.98. And some Husqvarnas. $25.42 down from $50.99. And then what we got here, we have some universal blades, $10.92 down from $21.98. A Cobalt 40-volt sprayer wand replacement kit, $6.22 down from $24.98. You want to clean that TV or that monitor? $6.74 down from $8.99 for a special cleaner for that. And they still got a bunch of stuff back here for the garden and your potted plants. $6.06 down from $8.08. So check it out. It's all in the back aisle at Lowe's.